Hello, my name is Giles. I'm the Workplace Disability Lead for Channel 4.
Hello, my name is Elvis. I am the Workplace Disability Apprentice. I work with Giles.
Elvis and I support applicants in the recruitment process to make sure they have adjustments through each stage of your recruitment.
We offer support to apply for access to work, for support in interviews, British Sign Language interpreters, English translation. Not only deaf, all disabilities can apply.
If you're successful in your application, you will have access to our people networks for Purple and for Mind. You have the ability to fill in information within your inclusion passport and be part of our Purple development program. And we'll see you in 2025. See you later.